Some cars were made to perform, but only one was made to roar. This guy is the Ford Mustang, an icon so loud it shakes streets, and a legacy so strong it defines generations. But here's the real question. How did an American muscle car, with pure raw power, become a worldwide symbol of freedom? Today, you're not just watching a car video, you're stepping into American legend. The Mustang isn't just loved, it's celebrated. It didn't just start a trend. It created an entire era, a long hood, wide stance, and a silhouette that's impossible to forget. At the heart of it all, the legendary V8, an engine that doesn't whisper, it growls. It doesn't sing, it roars. Nothing about it is subtle, because it was never meant to be. People don't fall in love with the Mustang because it's perfect. They fall in love because it's alive. It's the feeling when you press the throttle, the way the rear tires break loose, the way the car lunges forward like a wild animal. Every Mustang owner says the same thing. It doesn't just move and it charges. The Mustang didn't become famous in garages. It became famous on roads and in movies. Bullitt gave it attitude. Gone in 60 Seconds made it legendary. Fast and Furious turned it into a modern icon. The Mustang didn't follow culture. It shaped it. Look at its shape. The aggressive grille, the muscular curves, the stance that screams power even when parked. This is not just a car. This is attitude on four wheels. But the moment it starts, that deep V8 rumble, that chest-shaking thunder, that's the sound that makes car lovers emotional. There is nothing on earth like a true muscle car. No hybrids, no silence, just pure mechanical fury. That's why the Mustang doesn't sound normal. It roars, it snarls, it shakes the ground beneath it. People like cars, but they respect the Mustang. Interior, step inside and you feel it instantly. The cockpit wraps around you. The gauges, bold, old school. The steering, heavy, honest. The seats, gripping you like a fighter jet. It's not just driving, it's commanding the road. The interior is simple, yet meaningful. Classic Mustang DNA, built for connection, not distraction. In a world full of quiet electric cars, screens everywhere, and engines fading away, the Mustang stands tall as a reminder that emotion matters, sound matters, soul matters. It's raw, it's wild, it's imperfect, and that's exactly why people love it. So why is the Mustang still everyone's favorite? Because it's not about specs, not about tech, not about perfection. It's about that feeling. When the engine shakes the air, and your heart beats in sync with it, the Ford Mustang isn't just a car, it's a roar, a symbol, a dream that refuses to be quiet. Comment below your favorite car, and I'll make sure to bring it to life next. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself.